How to add a GIF to a Shopify product page. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can add a GIF on your product page as a product image. So let's get started. Now on Shopify, we create different products and you are running your business and we have a product page. So I'll show you how to add a GIF in the media on a product page. You just open up your Shopify store. This is my dashboard right here. Simply go to products, and in products you will be able to find your products right here. Just click on add new product. So we know that when we click on add new product, we have our title, we have description. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and give a title. Let's just call it test. And even in the description, I'm just going to write the word description. So here is our option to upload media. Now we can actually upload any kind of file right here. People think that we can only add an image, but that's not true. We can add a video, a GIF, 3D model, whatever we want. So you just click on add file. And now you can select a product GIF from your computer. So I'm just going to go with this one. This is a GIF. I don't know if it will work right here. Or you can just create a new GIF right now with any of the tool that you're using. Then you will just upload the GIF right here in the media section on product page. And this is how we add a GIF on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.